Free certificate online course for short time. Unleash your career potential with Python programming by getting a free course with free certificate from renowned organization. This video is only for those who want to do something in the online at IT department and build their career from working at home. In today's digital world, mastering a programming language is like wielding a superpower. And if you're looking for a language that can transform your career, Python is the one to learn. Python is renowned for its versatility. It's not just a programming language. It's a Swiss Army knife for countless industries. Whether you're into web development, data analysis, machine learning, or even finance, Python is your ultimate tool. The demand for Python developers is skyrocketing. From startups to tech giants, everyone wants to harness the power of Python. Job opportunities are aplenty, and they come with impressive salary packages. One of Python's unique attributes is its readability. It's easy for beginners to grasp, making it the perfect gateway into the world of programming. Plus, a vibrant community and a wealth of resources are there to support your learning journey. As we look to the future, Python is at the heart of emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, robotics, and autonomous systems. Learning Python today positions you for the innovations of tomorrow. Still not convinced? Let's meet some individuals who transformed their careers with Python. They started from scratch and went on to achieve remarkable success. Ready to embark on this exciting journey? There are countless resources available to get you started with Python. Online courses, books, and tutorials can guide you from beginner to expert. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, Python is your key to unlocking new opportunities and building a successful career. Start your Python journey today, and who knows where it might take you. The course's link has been provided in the description below. Check it and enjoy the course and build your career towards the bright. Thus, you want to get like this type of valuable courses, please comments below.